Hi everybody, welcome to our channel Maths Insights. In this video, we are going to discuss a simple geometrical concept. That is, what is meant by supplementary angles and complementary angles. These are very simple, but students are confusing. That's why I want to make a video on this. Shall we discuss? If you see the first one is complementary angles. Before going into this, you have to know what is meant by an angle. I made a separate video for this. You may access the link for this video at the end of this video. That will give a clarity what is meant by an angle, how will you can represent that. So if you see that video, then you will get clarity on that. Now, complementary angles. What are meant by complementary angles? If any two angles, only two, if any two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. So if you add those two angles, you may say that those two angles are complementary. For example, 30 degrees, 60 degrees. If you add these two, you will get the sum as 90 degrees. Okay, 45 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay, 20 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay, 80 degrees and 10 degrees. All these pair of angles are called complementary angles. Why? Because on summation of these two angles, you will get a sum which is equals to 90 degrees. This is very simple. In some of the problems, you have to use this concept and you have to find the values of one angle if they give you the value of another angle. Next, we will go to supplementary angles. Similarly, as we discussed, in the case of supplementary angles, any two angles, only two angles, any two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degrees. So 180 degrees. I may take 120, 60 and also 100, 80. See, in these two cases, not only in these two cases, you may find different situations where the sum of any two angles will become 180 degrees. If you do summation of these two, you will get 180 degrees. Therefore, these two angles are said to be supplementary angles. So again I will say in simple words that if sum of any two angles is 180 degrees, then those two angles are said to be supplementary angles. But students are confusing which are complementary and which are supplementary. Complementary angles equals to sum 90 or 180. So I am saying one trick to remember that. See, complementary comes, see, if you observe the English alphabet, C comes first and S comes later. So, and 90 comes first and 180 comes later. So, you have to match like this. Then it is very easy to remember which are said to be complementary and which are said to be supplementary. Now, we will solve some problems on this. Then the concept will become very clear. These are the problems. If you see the first problem, the measure of two complementary angles are 2x minus 7 degrees and x plus 4 degrees. Then you have to find the value of x. I am solving the first one here. Okay, solution. See, they clearly said that the given two angles are complementary angles. Complementary means you discussed that if sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then those are said to be complementary angles. Given that, you may write, given that, okay, 2x minus 7 and x plus 4 are complementary angles. Complementary angles. Therefore, their sum will become 90 degrees. So 2x minus 7 plus, so this is the first angle, and if you take this as second angle, then their sum is 90 degrees. That's why I am adding them. 2x plus x will become 3x, and this is minus 4 minus 7 plus 4, which will become minus 3, that is equals to 90 degrees. So if you take this minus 3 to that side, it will become plus 3. Therefore 3x is equals to 90 plus 3, which will become 93. Therefore x is equals to 93 by 3. If you cancel this, 3 3s are 3 1s are. Therefore x value is 31. See, this is not a degree. This is not a degree. Why? Because this is just multiple of into 2 into x. You have to do 2 into 31, which will become 62. 62 minus 7 is the angle. Okay, this is the first problem. Going to the second one, which is very easy. Find the complement angle of 2 by 3 of 90 degrees. First we have to find what is the value of 2 by 3 of 90 degrees. Okay, value of 2 by 3 of 90 is equals to 2 by 3 into 90. Okay, you have to find the part of this 90 degrees, then you will get 3 1s are 3 3s are 0. Therefore which will become 2 3s are 60. 60 degrees is the 2/3 of 90 degrees. Then you have to find complement of this angle. You know, complement is nothing but an adding to this, that you have to get 90 degrees. You have to let complement of 60 is x degrees. I am assuming that the complement of that 60 is x degrees, and on addition of these two, the value will become equal to 90 degrees. Therefore 60 degrees plus x degrees is equals to 90 degrees. So I want to find x value. Therefore x degrees is equals to 90 degrees minus, see this is a plus, if you send to that side, that will become minus. Therefore x degrees is equals to 90 minus 60, which will become 30 degrees. Okay, so you may say that complement of 60 is 30, and also complement of 30 is also 60. You may say in reverse order also. We will discuss next problem. This is a third problem, which is very similar to the previous first one. See, the measure of two supplementary angles are 3x plus 15 and 2x plus 5. Then find the value of x. So solution, I am doing solution. Why? Because I want to find the value of x here. Given that, you have to write what is given. Given that 3x plus 15, okay, degrees, and these 2x plus 5 are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. You know that as per definition, if sum of any two angles is 180 degrees, then those two angles are said to be supplementary angles. Therefore I am doing the summation of these two, 3x plus 15 plus 2x plus 5, which should be equals to 180 degrees. Here 3x plus 2x will become 5x. Okay, 5x plus 15 plus 5 will become 20, that is equals to 180 degrees. So if I want to find x value, I have to send that plus 20 to other side. Therefore it will become 180 minus 20, which is equals to 160 degrees. Therefore x is equals to 160 by 5. So 5 3s are 15, there will be 1, then it will become 10, 5 2s are 10. Therefore value of x will become 32. So in this way you may solve different types of problems basing on the concept of supplementary angles and complementary angles. I hope this information is useful to you, and if you like my video, kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press bell icon to receive more notifications when I upload a new video. You will meet in the next important video. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.